Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see the option of Excel add-in in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Sriram Sivashankaran and I have been posting videos, documents, user manuals related to the D365 F&O. If you want to get regular updates, please do follow my profile. Okay. So first of all, what is this Excel add-in? Excel add-in is a feature, I would say, the capability available in Dynamics 365, using which user will be able to use the data entities and do the simple data entry and reporting operations. For example, data for the users who does not know about the data entity, it is actually available in System Administration Data Management Framework, where users can export and import the data entities and create multiple data into the system. So user has to individually create an import and export project. Probably I will make a separate video on this. If you want to get the update, please to follow my profile. And for this, maybe I will make a separate, maybe a document or a video for how to import and export a data entity. But in D365, there are a lot of data entities available across many of the tables, right? Using which we will be able to upload the data into the system. But there is one more option which is available, which is called Excel add-in, using which you will be able to open the table in real. You will be able to update the data in a real-time basis, right? So, for example, this is a purchase order. Let's go for a simple example. Let's not make it complicated in the first video. So, for let's take a simple example like how to create a purchase order. We are in a purchase order form inquiry page. On the top right corner, we have an option called Open in Microsoft Office. Just click on that option and you can see there are two data entities which are applicable to this particular page. One is purchase order headers v2, which will help you to create the header level details for a purchase order, and purchase order lines v2. With this data entity will help you to create the lines and line related fields, but obviously the header has to be created. So let's see how we can create a header. So moment if I click on this purchase order headers v2, system will ask me to download it in Excel. So let me download this in Excel. So this will actually download the Excel file, which will be connected to D365 system. So once it is downloaded, let me click on the downloaded file. So this will open in our standard Excel. So just click on enable editing and you can see there is a right pane which is actually showing us the Excel add-in feature. So it will just take a couple of minutes to retrieve the actual information from the system. As you can see, I'll just go back to the D365 screen. The purchase orders, the purchase order which is actually created was 1939 for the phone company. This was the last purchase order which is created in the system, right? So let me get back to the D365. So now you can see the system has replicated the D365 screen in the form of the Excel, right? So this is a fantastic option which is available in Excel. So for users, the SCM practitioners who got used to using Excel often, they will be able to filter the transactions very quickly. And then for a specific vendor, if they want to check any data entry thing, if they want to modify certain changes, they will be able to do it. And in this video, we'll see how we can quickly create a purchase order header, right? So first what we need to do is see whatever the option, let's say since I have clicked on purchase order header field, it shows me what are the options applicable over here. If I go to approval status, then the right side pane actually shows me whatever the statuses which are applicable for the purchase order page, right? So first, before creating a new purchase order, first what I need to do was I need to click on the last respective row and then click the new option. So once I click a new option, a new line is created, right? It is not yet created, but let me click the new button. So now the new line is created. Now if I click on the new line, you can see that a vendor, because I am in the vendor column, vendor account column. So when I click on the cell number which is connecting to the vendor account, system automatically populates all the list of vendor accounts available in the system. So let me click on Fabricom. So I want to create a purchase order for Fabricom, and if I want to make any other changes, let's say currency, just anyway it is going to be fetched from the vendor master. It does not make any sense. Even if we want to create a purchase order in D365, if I click on new, adding the vendor account is mandatory, right? So let's try creating just by giving the vendor account alone. So I'll cancel this. Then we will go back to Excel. So we just gave clicked on new, and then we selected the vendor account Fabricom. And then what we need to do is we need to click on publish. So this, once I click on publish, we will get a message notification whether it is successfully published or not, right? If it is successfully published, then a new purchase order might be created over here. That's what we will see right now. So first I'll click on publish. So you can see the notification, it is publishing and it is published successful. So this means Excel, using Excel add-in, we have actually created a purchase order into the system. So you can see 1941 is the new record. Let's check in the system over here. Right now you can see it is up to 1939. Now I'll refresh this page. So now you can see the new purchase order 1941 is actually created in the system using the Excel add-in. So Excel add-in is feature which is very easy to use, and it also works with high efficiency. And users who are very connected with Microsoft Excel can make use of this and work in offline, and rather than logging into D365 and then publish the Excel add-in, whatever the changes they have done. You can also modify or edit the existing data using the Excel add-in, and it is easy for the person to do the filtrations. Maybe if they want, they can take a pivot and identify if there are a large number of data which is actually available, and make those changes and publish it back to D365. So this is one of the fantastic feature which is available in D365. Try this out in your day-to-day work or in your implementation projects, right? And I will catch you soon. Another interesting topic regarding maybe Excel add-in or maybe data management framework. Maybe I'll also try to publish a document in the maybe in the upcoming days. Right. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Hope to see you in another interesting topic tomorrow. Thank you.